What if I told you that the Amish, who live without modern medicine, have unlocked the secrets to flawless, youthful skin? And here's the best part. You probably have these remedies sitting in your kitchen right now. No harsh chemicals, no overpriced skincare products, just pure, natural, time-tested wisdom passed down for generations. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and by the end, you'll have 7 powerful Amish remedies that can transform your skin. But stay tuned till the end, because there's one little-known Amish skincare secret that might just blow your mind. Let's get started. First up, raw honey. The Amish don't just use honey for sweetening tea or baking. They rely on it as an ancient antibacterial powerhouse for clear, blemish-free skin. Raw honey is naturally packed with antimicrobial properties, making it perfect for fighting acne and soothing irritated skin. Just apply a thin layer to problem areas, let it sit for 15 minutes, then rinse. Your skin will thank you. Next, we have apple cider vinegar. The Amish swear by this miracle liquid for soothing eczema and dry, irritated skin. It works by restoring the skin's pH balance and reducing inflammation. Simply mix equal parts water and vinegar, apply it gently with a cotton pad, and watch your skin calm down. Now this one might shock you. Lard. Yes, pure animal-based fat infused with herbs like calendula and plantain creates a deeply nourishing balm for cracked, dry skin. Unlike commercial lotions filled with synthetic ingredients, this Amish balm penetrates deeply, locking in moisture naturally. Try applying a small dab before bed and wake up with baby-soft skin. Ever heard of plantain leaf? And no, we're not talking about the banana. This little green powerhouse is a lifesaver for bug bites, burns, and rashes. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Just chew a leaf, or crush it between your fingers, and apply the juice directly to the affected area. Instant relief. Last but not least, oatmeal paste, a time-tested Amish remedy for itchy, irritated skin. Oatmeal is a natural anti-inflammatory, perfect for calming redness and itchiness. Just mix ground oatmeal with water, apply it for 10 minutes, and rinse. Say goodbye to itchy, irritated skin. The Amish also use goat milk for achieving naturally radiant skin. Packed with lactic acid and essential nutrients, it gently exfoliates and hydrates. Simply splash your face with fresh goat milk or mix it into a homemade mask. Your skin will glow with natural radiance. One of the Amish's best-kept secrets for clear, youthful skin? Elderberry tonic. This powerhouse fruit is packed with antioxidants and fights acne from the inside out. Drinking elderberry tea or tonic regularly helps reduce inflammation and keep your skin looking vibrant. But wait, before we wrap up, there's one more secret Amish remedy that most people have never heard of. It's been used for generations, and some say it's the most powerful skincare secret of them all. Curious? I'll be revealing it in an upcoming video, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. And there you have it, 7 powerful Amish skin remedies you can try today. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you love natural healing secrets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for that mystery remedy coming soon.